Right now, it's been nearly 3.5 years since Deanna DeRosa Ekman was killed by a drunk driver, a man who at the time of her death committed his 6th DUI. But with new legislation signed into law today, officials alongside her family say Pennsylvanians will be better protected, and it's all thanks to Deanna's law. Our Jeff Cole with the story.
Supporters of Deanna's law say it will save lives and spare loved ones deep pain. Rich and Roseanne DeRosa stand in front of the Delaware County Courthouse at the end of a long and painful journey. It began with the death of their daughter, Deanna DeRosa Ekman, on a February evening in 2019 and ends with a law bearing her name.
Seeing your daughter's name on a piece of legislation is never a good sign. It means that something terrible has happened, and in our case, that's certainly true.
DeRosa Ekman was killed when David Strohauer, a repeat drunken driver, struck the Ekman's car in Upper Chichester. It was the 6th time Strohauer had gotten drunk and climbed behind the wheel. He'd already been convicted of DUI 5 times, but was out of jail.
Please understand, had the courts imposed consecutive sentences, he would still have been in prison the night she was killed.
A plea deal and a concurrent sentence, multiple sentences, served at the same time, shortened his period behind bars. Now, in a law just signed by the governor, a 3-time DUI offender will get a consecutive or longer sentence. It's an effort to take the power out of the judge's hand.
Who have a serious issue, and they should never be allowed back behind a wheel. Those are the people that the law now is going to judge much more harshly.
It was a multi-year, frustrating effort, say the DeRosas, who argue efforts at criminal justice reform lead to offenders avoiding jail. Strohauer admitted to killing DeRosa Ekman while drunk and is serving time. The DeRosas will never be free of heartache.
There are no words strong enough to describe the pain of outliving your child. It's an out-of-order process. Deanna's death left a wound in our lives that will never fully heal.
Reformers say they're not done yet. They want multiple DUI offenders to wear a device that can tell when they've been drinking. In media at the courthouse, Jeff Cole, Fox 29 News.